for you since I've been gone.
Hi, I'm Philip from Hatfield Sound and Security, and this is a Paul Yaffe original trike. This motorcycle started its life as a Harley-Davidson trike, standard 103 motor in it. Paul Yaffe, who's a world-renowned bike builder and customizer who's won numerous awards in the States, built this bike specifically for a Sturgis event and transformed it into a bagger trike, the first of its kind. It runs a 26-inch billet front wheel. It's got all his signature floorboards, shifter pegs, hand grips, and the like, together with his stretched out rear fenders that give it that low, wide look. It runs on a full air ride suspension, front and rear. This baby can go. This motorcycle was built in conjunction with Rockford Fosgate USA, specifically for the Sturgis event, not only to showcase Paul Yaffe's trike bagger, but also to introduce the Rockford Fosgate range of marine equipment specifically to the motorcycle fraternity. The bike was kitted out with a punch range of marine Rockford Fosgate equipment. It's also running a marine 12-inch woofer that's been ported and is firing down. Rail boost amplifiers drive those speakers. The bike sounds as good as it looks. So one would ask the question, how did this specific, unique, one-of-a-kind motorcycle land up on our shores? It was seen at Sturgis. It was destined to go and be showcased at the SEMA show in Las Vegas, but never made it to those shores. A dear friend of ours got hold of it, purchased it, and they imported it, and it's now part of our family. Rockford Fosgate manufacture a replacement OE system that is plug and play and takes the Harley system from being completely mediocre to insanely out of this world. Available from Hatfield Sound and Security and our Joburg sister Woodmead Sound and Security. Harley-Davidson, as one would know, is synonymous for loud pipes, loud music, rock and roll. Rockford Fosgate can bring that to you. So no matter what you ride or what you have, you bring it to Hatfield Sound and Security, we'll find a way to feed your soul.
For you since I've been